Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing boiler checks. It's good. So now that the boiler's off, we'll take a look in the panel. It's in standby. Check the contacts. Make sure everything looks good, nothing's burnt. Nothing obvious poking out at ya. Make sure the motors aren't overheating. We just replaced this. I've got to finish up some wiring. This was just temporary to get them running while the cold snap came. Tight linkages, make sure they're not too loose. We check our temperature or our pressures. Make sure everything's set well. Make sure there's no leaks. There was a bit of a leak there, but it looks like it's gone now. Probably won't be able to even see inside the tube because it's not on. Check our exhaust temps. It's not too bad. Check for more leaks. Check our makeup water. Check our sight glass level. This line here is going to be our low level limit. That will kick in the condensate pump, which then will fill with condensate hot water to appropriate levels. When it's running, it's probably about here-ish. Right now it's in standby. We'll check our pressures. Looks good. And there we go. That's boiler checks. Now it's just cracked on the paperwork. Wish me luck.